Hi, hello everyone, welcome to this channel. This video will show you how to export your videos on Capcut PC. So I will open my project here. I will export this project for you, and then here the videos. Okay, now if I want to export, it's really easy to do. You just click this export on the right corner upper here, click export, and then remember this is the folder you want to export this file, or you can change the folder. For example, I want to make it on the desktop. Where's the desktop? Here the desktop, click select folder, and then here your preferences, 4K, 2K, HD, and so on, and then the bit rate is recommended. I do prefer recommended, and then blah 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 blah. You can change by yourself. Also, you can change the FPS, 60 FPS for example, and then I can click export. For short video, it's really easy to do, and then maybe a minute or less than a minute. So that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you should, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.